Have you ever opened your eyes in the morning, tried to turn your head, and suddenly felt a sharp pull in your neck like something is stuck or torn? You didn't fall, you didn't lift anything heavy, you didn't get injured, you just slept. And yet the pain is real, stiff, and sometimes so bad you can't even look left or right. If that sounds familiar, don't skip this video, because in the next few minutes I am going to show you how to fix neck pain caused by sleeping wrong. And yes, the main stretch takes less than 60 seconds. But before we get into that, quickly tap the like button because it helps this video reach more people dealing with daily pain, and subscribe if you want simple, medicine-free relief exercises that actually work. Now listen carefully. Neck pain after sleeping wrong is one of the most common pains in adults over 30, and especially over 50, and the biggest mistake people make is thinking, it will go away on its own. Sometimes it does. But many times, that one wrong night turns into days or even weeks of stiffness, headaches, shoulder pain, and even arm discomfort. The good news? Most of this pain is not serious, and it is fixable at home if you move the neck the right way. Here's what actually happens when you sleep wrong. While you're asleep, your neck muscles are supposed to stay relaxed and neutral. But if your pillow is too high, too flat, too hard, or if your neck twists for hours, certain muscles stay shortened all night. Blood flow reduces, the joints become stiff. When you wake up and suddenly move, those tight muscles scream in pain. That's why the pain feels sharp first thing in the morning. Now here's something important most people don't know. When your neck hurts after sleeping, the instinct is to stop moving it completely. You hold your neck stiff, you avoid turning, and you wait. That actually makes it worse. The right gentle movement, done correctly, brings blood back, relaxes the muscle, and releases the stiffness faster. Let's start with awareness. Sit or stand comfortably. Don't force anything yet. Just notice which side hurts more. Is it the left, the right, or straight at the base of the neck? Knowing this helps you stretch safely. Now we'll do the first gentle movement. This is not the main stretch yet. This is just to warm the neck. Slowly lower your chin toward your chest. Not hard, just enough to feel a light stretch. Hold for 3 seconds. Now slowly lift your head back to neutral. Do this 3 times. If you feel cracking or popping without pain, that's normal. Next, slowly turn your head to the right as far as it comfortably goes. Stop before pain, hold for 2 seconds. Come back to center, now to the left. Again, only comfortable range. Do this 3 times each side. Already some of you will feel a slight release, that's a good sign. Now let's talk about the mistake people make at this stage. They start rolling their neck in big circles. Don't do that. Full neck rolls can irritate joints when muscles are already tight. We want control, not force. Now we move to the main 60-second stretch, the one that makes the biggest difference. Sit up straight, relax your shoulders. Place your right hand gently on the left side of your head. Don't pull yet. Just rest it there. Now slowly tilt your head to the right, as if bringing your ear toward your shoulder. The hand adds only light pressure, very gentle. You should feel a stretch on the left side of your neck. Not pain, stretch. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Breathe slowly. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Each breath tells the muscle to relax. After 15 seconds, release slowly. Come back to center. Pause for 2 seconds. Now switch sides. Left hand on the right side of your head, gently tilt left. Hold for 15 seconds. Breathe. That's 30 seconds done. Now we add the second half. This targets the deeper muscles that get tight from sleeping twisted. Again, tilt your head to the right. Now slightly turn your chin downward like you're looking into your pocket. You should feel the stretch move deeper toward the back and side of the neck. Hold for 15 seconds. Breathe, slowly release. Switch sides, tilt left, chin slightly down. Hold for 15 seconds. That's it, 60 seconds. Most people feel noticeable relief right here. Not 100% gone, but lighter, freer, easier to move. Now if your pain is still strong, don't worry. Pain that built up over hours won't always disappear in 1 minute. But if you repeat this stretch 2 to 3 times a day, especially morning and evening, improvement usually comes fast. Now, let's talk about what to do right after the stretch you just performed. The next 10 minutes after waking up are critical. If you stretch and then immediately bend your neck forward looking at your phone, you undo the benefit. So here's the rule: after stretching, keep your neck tall and neutral for at least 5 minutes, walk around. Let blood flow normalize. If you sleep on your stomach, your neck stays twisted for hours. That alone explains your pain. The solution is not complicated, but it requires consistency. Train yourself to sleep on your side or back. Even placing a pillow against your body can stop you from rolling onto your stomach at night. If you sleep on your side, your pillow must fill the space between your shoulder and your head. Too high tilts the neck upward, too low lets it drop downward. Both cause strain. When your neck is straight with your spine, muscles can finally relax. Now here's a simple pillow test. Lie on your side. Ask someone to look at your neck or use a mirror or camera. If your neck bends up or down, your pillow height is wrong. Fixing this alone can prevent 70% of morning neck pain. Now let's talk about another stretch, not mandatory but powerful. This one helps if pain spreads to your shoulder. Sit straight. Roll your shoulders backwards slowly 5 times, then forward 5 times. Now raise both shoulders toward your ears, hold for 3 seconds and release. Repeat 3 times. This relaxes the muscles connected to your neck. Now something many people don't expect: hydration. Muscles that are dehydrated tighten more easily. If you wake up with neck pain often, drink a glass of water after waking up. It sounds simple, but it helps muscle elasticity. Let's also talk about stress. Emotional stress causes unconscious neck tightening during sleep. Jaw clenching, shoulder elevation, shallow breathing all contribute. Before sleeping tonight, take 5 slow breaths. Inhale deeply. Exhale longer than you inhale. This tells your nervous system to relax. Now I want to be very clear about when neck pain is not normal. If your neck pain came with numbness in your arm, severe weakness, fever, or pain after an accident, this video is not enough. You need medical evaluation. But if your pain started after sleeping wrong, feels muscular, and improves with movement, these techniques are usually safe and effective. Gentle tilt. Feel the muscle soften, release, switch sides. Gentle always wins with neck pain. If you want faster results, do this routine morning and night for 3 days. Most people feel dramatic improvement by day 2. Now imagine waking up tomorrow, turning your head, and feeling no sharp pain. That's not luck, that's correct movement. If this video helped you even a little, press the like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to others waking up in pain right now. Subscribe for more simple fixes for back pain, neck pain, and daily stiffness. Especially if you're over 40 or 60, and remember this: pain after sleeping wrong is common, but living with it is optional. Your body wants to heal. You just have to guide it the right way. Stay consistent, move gently, and I'll see you in the next video.